Welcome to AR Studios. Today, we are going to see Hercules Roadeo Warcry bicycle assembly. This is the package which we will be delivered. Let's unbox it. So here the cycle which we received. All the parts are in tagged state except the seat. Use a knife or scissor to untag one by one carefully so that it's not getting damaged. So, the parts which we plan to assemble today are seat, handlebar, pedal, front wheel set, and the railer guard. Use 5 inches alley to tie the stem. Now, we will see how to place the handlebar. For that, first we need to remove the 4 bolts on the stem. Place the handlebar as shown. Place this piece and try to tighten the bolts. You can tighten them diagonally, which help for better positioning. Also make sure handlebar is in center and well placed. Use 4 Allen key to tighten the bolts. Use the screwdriver to tighten the reflector. Now, we will assemble the front wheel set. The wheel set has the disc brake. First loosen the brake wire on the disc machine, using the 4 inches Allen key. So, disc pad on the disc machine will be in released state. Now, remove the wheel nut and the collar washer on the wheel axle. Place it on the fork as shown and make sure the disc plate is placed in correct position on the disc machine. Now, place the washer and tighten the wheel axle nut using 15 inches spanner. Now, tighten back the disc brake as shown. Let's see how to assemble it. Remove the wheel axle nut and washer. Now, place the guard followed by washer and nut. Use 15 spanner to do this. Now, we will see how to assemble the pedals. It is important to remember that pedal threads are different from left side and right side. The right side pedal has a right hand thread, removes counterclockwise, and stalls clockwise. The left side pedal has a left hand thread, removes clockwise, and stalls counterclockwise. We need to loosen the nut and place the seat according to need. Holding the lever in place, tighten the nut on the opposite side. It should feel tight, but it should not be too difficult to close the lever. Once tight, push the lever into the closed position. Thanks for watching. Also, watch other videos on our channel. Don't forget to give thumbs up, comment, share to your friends and subscribe. Now the cycle is ready to ride. Happy riding!